Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Alicia. Today I'll be doing my everyday skincare routine for sensitive oily skin. If you want to see how I get flawless skin, you want to do is make sure your hands are clean. Then you're going to go in with your acne wash. Today I'll be using the Neutrogena oil-free acne wash, and this is formulated to eliminate oil and unclog your pores. It is effective yet very gentle, so you can use it for your sensitive skin. Now I'm just going to lather this up in my hand and massage it all over my face for 60 seconds in a circular motion. Bring it down your neck. And after 60 seconds, then you're gonna rest. Now I'm gonna go in with a paper towel to pat dry. You can use a towel or a washcloth of your choice, but I like using a napkin or a paper towel. And then just get that all dried. Now I'm gonna take a cotton pad and I'm gonna put my toner on it. And what a toner does, it balances your pH and prepare the skin for moisturizer later on. Remove any buildup, any remains that leave behind from the cleanser or makeup. So my toner today is the Neutrogena Rapid Clear 2-in-1 Fight and Fade, and this prevents breakout as well, and it fade acne mark, scar, hyperpigmentation. So I'm just gonna put this on my cotton swab, my cotton pad, sorry, and I'm gonna just wipe this all over my face, around your nose, your forehead, over your ears, down your neck. Yes, you want to take care of your neck as well, and your chest. Now I'm going to go in with my Ettenio vitamin C, which is their Super C collagen booster, and this smooths line, brightens the skin. It also removes dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and sign of aging, and also give you that nice glow. So I'm going to squeeze that out. I'm going to put it all over the face. Down the neck. Now I'm gonna go in with my Neutrogena Rapid Tone and Repair with vitamin C and sunscreen. So yes, this is the most important part of your skincare, moisturizing. It doesn't matter what skin type you have, you need to moisturize. This keep the skin smooth and hydrating, keep you from drying out. Even if you have oily skin, you need to moisturize. When you moisturize with oily skin, then you will produce less oil. some moisturizing is the most important step in skincare. Now I'm going to go in with my Mary Kay Time Wise Age Fighting Eye Cream, and this help with dark circle around your eyes, fine line, wrinkle, and all that. You're gonna use your ring finger and you're gonna pat it in the skin around the eyes. Yeah. Pat, pat, pat. Now I'm gonna go in with my lip scrub from Beauty Treats lip scrub, and it's in the shade Dark Cherry. This is just to remove dead skin off the lips and make it moist and nice, so it will prone the less cracking. Then you're gonna moisturize. Another tip, you can mix brown sugar with honey and use that to exfoliate your lips. Gonna do that for a minute. So I'm gonna go in with my lip balm from Carmex to moisturize the lips. So guys, this is my everyday skincare routine for my sensitive oily skin. As you can see, I am glowing. No makeup on, just my natural skin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Until next time.